You say, I can skip so long, make you stick so. And if they tell you it's big and a kiss so.
You put the pretty and fat and it is so. Like a gift so me got you get pleased so.
Me never get a man when me want it so.
You know me, while you a mix up.
Come but I eat it from me neck, make it click so.
Come let me put it on baby.
Me don't want you love me. Come a verse and me pump to fluffy.
Come get out the cocky and broken.
Send it out now my belly like rocket.
You come from the back of your panties.
From me start to the face to the ugly.
You're beautiful now, if you hold me. If you believe me, girl, me rock you every day, every night. You're so pleasant, be nice. You fat, you ugly, long, she darling. Think you like you, then you kiss it, darling. Please not the night time, not the morning. I say you want to me, but I say you darling. If you come from that, you can't win. If you fuck and you hold it, you can't say you're still. Please and dance, you fuck me, I'm sing. You need your pussy jump like it, let us spring. Baby, I'm really, I'm cool, so I sing. Good night, my lady. Good night, my lady. I'm ready. Good night, baby. Your pussy coming like Bible. When you open up, you see heaven. You put on your best, my angel. Loving you like religion. Your pussy coming like Bible. I'm not gonna love some real sex. From your man to now, that's sleepless. Never afraid of the insects. You are the best boom. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. You are the best boom. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. You are the best boom. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. You are the best boom. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like one. My dear, I'll say you're giving me a party. If it is a girl, let me like you. Squeeze on me body when I'm dirty. If it's a case, I tell them when I'm dirty. So last man make you dirty. If you are not already, you're still sitting on the air. Carry on, so please. Carry on, but let them show you. That's why I was very pussy to me.
LLS. Say no, say never now. In case you never know, I mean a beggar man. Champion coach. Who come from Jamaica know Wolmer's High School, Tivoli High School, and St. Andrew Technical High School. Champion coach. From them win Manning Cup, when we did it, from me left, no, I don't win it again. So you know, say we are champion coach. So you know, so then I begin to face you say, Ray, you can't trick me again. Guinness there. You think you're going to know white Trump come give me, and one that you want to come trick me. What's the man on the building? Let me tell you, say energy, a straight energy. So you hear me, I say no people, when you come to enjoy the weekend. Alright, so what? Liquor in our head now. So you know, say everything get keep wet. I want to me to tell you something. You see, a football match, two persons cannot start it. Two people can't start it. A goalkeeper and a referee.
see enough more people for forward. I know say it's a good thing and a long weekend. Only for party, only for celebrity day, only for selector. You understand? Only for people from all boats inside of the United States. You see me? I say tonight is a good thing called the kickoff, right? Team fix things there all the way from New York, hot selector there. So we call ourselves the hot selector and we fix things. So Jamie, now let's start it now. Check. Only for party that going for the weekend, man. Now, come for the money from tonight. Just a start it easy, you know?
They know my story, they know my story. From Bodog Studio, I be hustle to work. When I
She look good, no. Where she go? Jojo.
Someone got my Jesus.
Something not go on, so. I'm not saying a lie. Yeah, the half an hour there was fast. That line. But my life got around. Yeah, that means LLS weekend is gonna be a good look. When it comes to music, I can't say the people are gonna get their money, sir. Yeah, cause look at the selector them up on a clear thing. Punch down the piano key and I like it. LLS weekend is a good look. You understand? So in the morning, you don't know anything going on. Yeah, listen man, the master of ceremony himself.
I'm telling you something again. Don't wait for no man paycheck. And I'm going to understand what I'm telling you later, you know. Ladies, don't wait for no man paycheck. Later on, I'll give them more information about that. You understand me? But otherwise, sound. Let me tell you something. You see the beast and the place that I want. Don't feed the beast. And we're gonna feed the beast and the beast escape. Or not the pound of one. Time in on the building, you know. Anything is possible to feed the beast. We must so we are here, man. What's the man there? LLS, kick way.
Yeah man, big up to the people. Oh, what? Somebody want to voice living? Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Yeah, big voice, yeah. Big up to the people that were flying for the party at LLS. I like the weekend, I love how it look already. You understand? But you know, say put God first and everything after. Makes up to all who know, say Father God, they looked of it. You know, guidance and them thing there. You understand? But in life, you have some people don't like when you achieve. So big up to all who know, say you bug them people in life is when people achieve good things. Now put us start the part of the party, so.
Every time you take one step, something pulls you back.
Big up to the people that are flying for the party. Big up to the people that are on the ground. Yo!
Wicked people and bad minds, lurking in the dark.
Who got this? Somebody can't curse.
Be right on.
I'm doing a bad man right now. Give me some singer, yo!
Turn the world on and turn the music on. Like the one relax and just close your eyes. Yes, God, if we keep it real, mind they have no day. Everything's gonna be alright.
Hey, sweet baby, kick off, man! Next us up, Lord Spirit. Anywhere good, they ganja up in the only ganja people in there right now. Ready again? if I don't hear somebody now lock you out and son of pace around. So maybe just set the party, maybe get the girl and enjoy themselves. Be alive for the morning. If you never know Texas, to lock out this son. Big up to the girl and their own money too. understand? But again, me have to talk, I'm gonna like certain boy, cause certain boy I like wait. Until we know we pay, we want our bills and work, we want our money, and we also we want our money, and we don't make people bumbo clock. You see me? But they push them no sir.
No boys and them like me, but no one else feel like me.
Sweet, come in, look it up.
Every girl I like, every girl
Everywhere we go.
Many people let them say them never let me go. No boy want pretty on the line, them don't know what me do. You that. She wanna be a dog, you know the better line. If she don't get me, she must get a friend of mine. Today she get a problem like so am I. She love me cause every girl I like, everything is a bit. She a good dog. I want to do me all now.
It's a song, yeah.
She got me.
Money want transmission. Now put trouble.
When they look at them and be safe, them like the movie they will do this. Them talk about the night every day, but talk about the night not one day.
Let's go.
Everybody just a follow me, I'm a damn me what I do that day. Me have to get up like every day, my trip on your step so you don't feel me like a leave it. What I did I didn't know what I think I when I spoke to you, I'm good. What I'm here to do, but I'm thinking, no matter what you do, you got to be. They never tell you I'm in trouble when I'm trouble. So now we couldn't tell you, so I said we could keep it together, but we were trying to do. What I did, and I can't myself to no man, I need no now. Just what I do now, some below me, I know me to have to do the simple thing, man. But I don't have to go to the champions, I go to the family. Oh, we got to the very foolish, I know in a little chat, I'm a little shy, I'm a little shy. I'm gonna dash you, I'm gonna
Pick up the clock, son, I know, sir. Anything on that clock, they feel it. Anything that clock, they feel it. What the New York crew, they're the salute, what up, yeah? I want God, they take finesse, some boy like what the American Jack don't do. Come here now, everyone. Them on the mic, them on the water, them music soda, them river, them master, them Judas, them Informer, them Spice. Hear me now, man? The party on the regular, a LLS weekend and the first night I eat this. You know I got a little bit from this one, so that I do some different stuff now go on. And some different money I spend. And some different clothes I wear. And some different hotness for the girl them. You know say, how much minutes left? Let me watch the clock. I'm not punctuality, you know. Now how do it? 4 minutes and 57 seconds left. You see? Me feel like more and change it. Like how many have blood clot takes us so much. What the New York people in me? Boss I shot me soon. What the Miami crew them? Boss I shot me soon. What the Texas people in me? Boss I shot me soon. Yo, me like pay respect to people when they come to me blood clot town. When people come to me town, me like to pay respect. What the Boston crew them? What they are there? Oh, okay. Now pay some respect right now. Now pay some respect. Listen this.
Yeah, famous one. I would have run for generation journalist. I would have done the damn mark. I would have run for you here. Bellevue. You have a man Branco. You're not famous. Watch your style. Classic. LLS team money can't done. So you have the money good. Making up what them are trying for blasting. But the whole of them back down. Money team. Shoot out money. LLS team. Shoot out money. Spoilers crew. Shoot out money. Make them know that we money in the money. 162, shoot out money. Lush Pass, shoot out money. Shopper Lifestyle, shoot out money. Make them know that we money in the money. We don't carry loose change in the pocket. Bank paper on the stash, so we got it. Make them know we don't deal with stress. Yeah, famous squad. LLS team money can't done. So you have the money good. Making up what they were trying for blasting. But the whole of them packed up. Money team, shoot out money. LLS team, shoot out money. Spoilers go, shoot out money. Let them know that the money in the money. 162, shoot out money. Left pass, shoot out money. Summer Lifestyle, shoot out money. Let them know that the money in the money. We don't carry no change in the pocket. Bank paper on the stash. Let them know we don't deal with stress. What the team name? The team LLS. Mappy Champion. You know it. White team glass flask everywhere you go. Tell the haters them not like this. I'm host enough money. No lyrics. Chicken macro. Shout out money. Hey, pim. Shout out money. LLS team money can't done. So drop the money gone. blasting. Money will have them pop down. Money key, shoot out money. LLS key, shoot out money. Stylers crew, shoot out money. Make them know that the money is funny. 162, shoot out money.
Ladies, I love the ladies there. Ziggy, I notice they make the tune of your name and I tell them a style, a style, a style, a style, Ziggy. Tell the man who made the tune if you do it back over and your name too. That real style in that. Hold on, Ziggy, you're nasty. You see the man who made the tune and you don't call any name. Me not ask no question about it, Ziggy. I read card McGee. Straight. So you messing the people on LLS weekend. It not started, you know, the enjoyment just kick off. Wanna ready to enjoy the weekend? Hold on, you know, me say, wanna ready to enjoy the weekend? Oh, can I spend on the money? Take the airplane, trust in the life in a year, and to come Houston, Texas. Big up Texas people. Love her. Love your style. Baby, me love it. Me have to give you a sexy whistle. LLS. When you're ready, you know, cause the party just a kick well. Luther, kick it well. Cause you're the bad shooter. What you waiting on, Luther?
Smarty, I look for real. Boy, you like that. Anyway, tell me what I meant. Your customer don't make nobody hear your mouth. I'm going to start talking to these them boy. Hold up. And me a play. Chill. Here we are going now. We come here for full joy ourselves, no? We come here for enjoy with blood. Let me see where I go on in that party. Hold on. Let me test the party. Yeah, test. Test it. We have the bus stand people there. Hold on. Let me test something. Let me test something like this. Let me test something. All who know you have your own clothes. Who know you have? Let me test something with the blood clot. Wait.
All
here, you have a mother, though. All who love and respect mama, put up your two and them over your blood clot and let me see. No.
Princess, for me, I'm in
understand people like me. They know that something different.
You got the LLS school, you see only you not the telling us something.
Just when you finish, just come to him. He gonna sign your money and your ticket. It's gonna bring you to New York City.
You know why I'm bigger than New York blood clot city? Because the artists that they put the Ross Clot bill.
Now this night with the bells and the full of one to the bell.
It's all about, you don't know, it's all about the thing called the LLS weekend. And you know the thing, the Lush Pass. Pick up yourself in that blood clot building. And you know me have to chop your song before me left out here. You can't move me a Lush Pass in a ass clot town and me not chop your song. You understand? So you are here with me, the last one you ever play now. You know, I'm going to wear it.
That's man, 4 can, water, 0 can come, right, bam. I think you can represent the Lush Pass. Big up, whole crew.
30, 40, 50.
0 can come.
You go big up yourself. Wait for this.
Lush Pass, and if you never know we, yeah, we don't know the band, the road, Lush Pass, Lush Pass, big up,
Steve.
I know. If I hear a selector, tomorrow morning, you know, say a water passa, and then later on a soca. Right there, so. I won't now wait, man. And now chat. A whistle of that.
Yes, sister, man, big up yourself. Ladies, you can ask her a question, alright? Ladies, alright? All of the ladies that in the party right now will have ambition. But some of them go for your head black child here. All of the girls them right now will know say a boy can't take you for fool, you not depend on no man. You have some girl, if the man left them tomorrow, them dead for hungry. Not even a Bulla or a Pepsi them can't buy. The girl them will know say you have ambition, you have your job, you have your money, you have your pension plan, you have your 401k and look forward to make you play that song. No sir.
Why there, girl? I'm gonna put some last to be wrong here.
The girl them will know say for your mother push up your ambition, walk up and down. Walk up and down. You have some girl in the school and can't go. The girl them can't go, big trees them forward. From social media forward, some girl get high in a blood club. The girl we know say them girl can't hype on you on no Facebook, no Snapchat, no Instagram. Tell her dirty bitch this. If your wife you walk out there no. If your wife material walk out, we have you in there, we have it. Level, ladies, alright? The girl them with white pussy, go stream them for your white pussy. Hear that song there? Tell her bitch, the man tell me that I dance. Yeah, some girl is evil than the devil. Some girl in front of a fucking blood clot man. Watch out now, watch out, watch out now. Blood clot. You get me that dance with a real friend. I'm up your blood clot friend. I'm up your friend girl, I'm up your friend girl. Oh, walk out with your friend girl. Oh, walk out with your good friend girl. Level. All of the girls in the party when you say you're cute for your mother push you out. Take out your phone. See now your blood clot self. Cause you have some girl that will feel page, they want to watch out their life. You have to tell them what they want blood clot here this morning. Turn it up. Do they have blood clot self? You never will feel page, but all of the girl them right now. No. Good pussy alone on it. Some of the girl don't know comforter from blood clot fitted sheet. Yeah. Some of the girl don't know laundry detergent different from dishwashing liquid. Yeah. All of the girl them know say that white material. Play that song there. Sit down on the girl, sit down on the girl. Boom on it and you might do it on the girl. Say tick-tock, little girl, tick-tock in yourself. You tick-tock on that. Last up it, go there, papi. Go there, papi. Just look off the cocky. Papi, special. You see anywhere that I go, and there's a circle, we call it the good pussy circle. You get them when them pussy good, them now go roll out in our circle. More you take on the good pussy circle in them man, you turn it up. In this circle, in this circle, in this circle, in this circle, the good pussy circle. In this, what you see up right now? So we say, sit down, don't cut me down. Voila, change it up now. Don't be the officer, don't be the officer, don't be the nigga, the boom boom clean us up, don't be the level. This is just the start of it. LLS weekend. Tonight is just the kickoff. The party never just started. Hello. Touch out there for me. Fluffers. More you invite some of your friends them to the good pussy circle now. Yeah. More some of the Boston girl them in a good pussy circle now too. Yeah. In this circle. Leave them alone. Jump it on them. Do it up. In this circle. More some of the Texas girl them in a circle too. In this circle. Every girl just take on this circle. Watch it out. In this circle, the good pussy circle. In this 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 circle, the good pussy circle. Look it up in the good pussy circle. Say put it in the good pussy circle. In this circle, the good pussy circle. You can't go in the good pussy circle. LLS in the good pussy circle. Why the girl in this circle? Every girl in this let's pass them. Me don't want a blood clot money pull up. You have to go buy fatty and ticket. We want a fatty and New York, fellow weekend. I know you have to fly from Jersey. We are buying a ticket from Jersey. We now make you walk Newark to JFK. You are flying. Yeah. Let's pass forward. See you by Jersey. Wait, you're not a ticket. Yeah, you don't want a ticket. You remember my face? You remember my face? Bring 5 friends. Make sure so them look like you. Come in like man or woman, you know. Like the fluffers there. Yeah. Well, really again, man. I get a part-time man to party down there. Hello, baby, come here. Hello, come here. Come here. You want to pass the girl circle? You want to pass the circle? In this circle, in this pussy circle. In this. Yeah, what's your foot up? Everybody believe every video. I'm a really just engage. And show me an entertain. Me don't want the video reach the long place. Me ask you, please. Don't go. Yeah. pussy girl, come up here, pussy girl. That girl is a violent fucker. She violent. Baby, crawl with the fuck now, where you go? Crawl with it now. Hello, miss. Why you put them on something? Because when I was in school, I have a teacher who used to beat me up. I'm going to whole heap of therapy. Hot flash, sexy for you. When we done play. We get my drunk right now. We get my drunk and blood clot. Yeah, so me have a whole lot when I for my final song. All of the people in were there. Look for your friend that stand upside down. If for your real friend that bust a blank for your friend. You see if your friend not bust a blank for you, pray the friend there. Because you see if you diss my friend, you have to blood clot diss me too. All of my friend blood clot wrong. Why me say so?
Jeffrey, I get them together like a
All who love them mother know say any boy disrespect them mother, gunshot them a bumbo clock. Go on again. What the gangs of them know can't defend themselves and defend them family. Everybody.
surrounded. And everybody will run in if you say, alright, yes, so you then no. Sometimes when they run in if you just side them and then broke them. Play us something.
Yeah, I'm shut down. Certain boy that's father and for children.
Big up to the real friend them.
And I don't eat.
No matter where your friend gone.
We don't rate them, boy. We don't rate them, boy. We don't rate them. Them a fear. Watch who you call. Watch who you call. You for them, boy, you know why.
The dirty thing that
Don't wanna go and go, I don't wanna say things. Remember we when we got when we brought them up.
The song is so weird here we go. When the quarantine done. Oh no, not go quarantine. I find the whole on live, you know. A government badness me live on. Andrew only say 8 o'clock and we have left the blood clot road. So me can represent for that. But big up to my nice, beautiful, gorgeous, sexy, pretty ladies that will check in tonight. This is LLS weekend. You know tomorrow the water party. I've been busting out you girls' vagina, pum pum, crutches, big pussy, little vagina. Tomorrow, I'll be having a lot of fun with you ladies. And I'm single just for tomorrow. By Sunday, I'm married again. So if a girl want to fuck her tomorrow, you're free, baby. You can fuck me at 19, 15, 18, 20, 35 times. I don't want to. Yeah. And if a pussy good, me cheat for Wednesday. With you. You understand? But the LLS weekend is, you know, when I'm going to do a skanking, I wear one big boot that make you reverse. You understand me? The boot that big like dancer shirt, dancer shirt. But big up to the killer them there. Bro, me and the whole team, I see you over there, so Bubba Floss and my bad bro. The whole chop. You see it? Big up my booyah brother there. Real bum buckler and well on there. From there, you don't say big up the New York crew. But you don't say it right. You have to say big up the Queens people then. What you say? You have to say big up the Queens people then. Come and see the bum buckler body from Brooklyn and Bronx and Long Island and bum buckler Scotland and there. And what go on? I like that too. So what go on? Let's go look. But the killer them from Texas there. You know the guy from Miami? We good, them alright. Me next year Miami. LLS with it. Big up the people them from Boston. Where my Trinidad and girls. Me big up everybody with there. Big up the two-back selector them and the rest of selector team there. Wanna remember? Last weekend, August 13th to the 15th, I got crazy in New York City. You understand? Tiana, my brother, from day one. From back in the days when Tiana trim over Long Island. Now real talk. From them days, they booked me for Nakasaki. Tiana was the first promoter who bring me to my foreign. Way back in the days of Nakasaki. I couldn't sell out here. You know, see a promoter girl call me down in Florida. For perform down in Florida tomorrow. She said she'll give me $5,000. Tian called me and Tian said I'll give me $500. The 5,000 bigger, the 500 little. But a liar to me, David, and my brother that. And when me a dance, just bust from Bobby on a dance. Him see me and him say, bro, I bring you to my foreign make you make money. And Tian bring me to my foreign. Them days them give me about $4,000. And me I tell them about 2003, 2004 them time there. The promoter girl said she had give me $5,000 for down in Florida. I said, nah, go. I jump on the flight from Jamaica and come and Texas for $500. If a son boy, them take the $5,000 throw the money me. Me respect and love my friend then. Me will date for my friend then. If a son entertainer that when you see me. Listen, no. Remember Princess, you only wear Huggies. And Nikisha go body, so you know the money get little bit. So my money I spend now. So, only not trouble for no money then. Play back again, a bad song. Lush team. One done. Lush boss. Big up the youth them will fight for your friend. The girl them are different your friend. What we done, what people back on it? Big up my friend them and me and them apart from school here. You are like Jeremiah. Let me tell them about me and my friend them. Before I kill her with me, all you. She don't make no money. Big up the fake brother. Hold on. You run, come here. Me agree you entertain the crowd. But let me show you something. Yes, boss. Few more songs. You have the answer, which is an entertainer, which you know of it. Make the crowd move. You understand? But me as a selector, when you play that, enough of the gangsters them from New York there, they have to wait 2 blood clot long for you to respond where they come from. So as a bad selector, we just play one song and big up every blood clot body.
Hey, yo, man. Let's take on some wrongs.
But let's play one song and big up everybody.
Step for me, love in my eyes, I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and bitch trying to take my life away. I put a hole in the nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. My time you talking about me, but not coming to me. I'm not like you. You go for a dime, and I ain't got time with you. Say you a gangster, if you know how, now you say you a monster. You need a shot from me, you a friend of mine.
Marvin the Beast, big up yourself in general. We like the fire there, but when you have big up that side of town, remember this. When I talk about Jamaica, you talk about Kingston. When I talk about United Blood Clot States, I hear so.
I got a honey clips, nigga, I'm good. You're the man that gets this next time and keep on.
All who blood clot buy something at the bar system there. Let me see the gun on them. Gun on.
Nothing can stop me, I'm on.